Hello guys, let us take a look at this question. So it says that two charges are at a distance d apart, and if a copper plate of thickness d by 2 is placed between them, what is the effective force between the charges? So first of all, okay, as you can see in the figure, right, q1 and q2, these are two charges. They are placed, okay, at distance d apart, and then we are inserting this copper plate, right, and the copper plate is thickness t. Now, when you're writing electric force, okay, you have to take into consideration, okay, the new distance, okay. The only thing that changes, okay, when writing the electrostatic force will be the distance t, right? Why? Because now the distance is not d. It will be d minus t plus root k times t, right? That is the main difference, okay, that will come in writing the electrostatic force, okay. The third formula, okay, that will come in the Coulomb's law. So let's quickly write it down, okay, and then let's try to figure out, okay, what will be the force. So first, just, okay, write down, okay, what is the normal force. Normal force is what? K, q1, q2, and this is d square. So instead of d, let's say this is d dash, okay, d dash. And what is d dash? So k is what? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and then you have q1, okay, we have q2, q1 into q2, and we have d. So what is this d? Let's quickly write it down. So this is going to be, first of all, d minus t, okay, d minus t plus root k times t. Now understand, okay, that this is t square, okay, yeah, so this whole square. Now understand, okay, that this root k will be the value that we need to find out, okay. And what is the dielectric constant, okay, for metals or for conducting surfaces? So copper is a metal, okay, it's a conducting surface. So for copper, if it is a metal, what have we studied? We have studied, if it is a metal, then electric field inside will be zero, right? Inside a metal, inside a conducting surface, electric field is zero. And what happens if electric field is zero? How do we find the value of k? We find the value of k is what? Okay, it is the applied electric field upon reduced electric field, right? K is, okay, just for those who do not know, it is whatever electric field that you have applied, okay, applied electric field divided by reduced electric field. Now applied electric field, okay, was what? Applied, say E was applied, okay, E electric field was applied, but when it went inside, okay, inside the metal, it was zero, right? So this reduced electric field becomes what? It becomes zero. So K will become what? For metals or for any conducting surface, the value of K will be what? It will be infinity. And that is what is going to give us the answer to our question. So very simple, okay, just a very basic concept, I think you have understood, okay. So in this case, the value of K is infinity, so because it is copper and it is conducting. So basically, if K is infinity, what will happen? Root of infinity is infinity only, right? So basically, and then whatever you will do, so basically infinity is there in the denominator, means this whole expression, okay, whatever is the numerator, okay, divided by infinity, this is going to be nothing but what? It will be zero, right? So our answer in this case will be zero. So it's a very straightforward formula based question, okay. If you understand, okay, the form, if you remember the formula, okay, you will be able to do it. And apart from the formula, you need to know, okay, what kind of plate is inserted. Is it a conducting? It's a non-conducting? What kind of plate? Okay. So basically, based on that, the dielectric constant is decided. Okay, and it's a very straightforward, very simple question. Okay, just based on formula. Okay, and simple knowledge of dielectrics. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.